Vanakkam, everyone. Welcome. This is our class on different kinds of pendulum swings. That is the base of Karlakatta. You stand in a comfortable position, open shoulders, and we are going to swing like a pendulum. Have you seen? The pendulum is just swinging tuck, 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 tuck. So we are going to swing like this for a minute. So this is the most basic swings in Karlakattai. We are swinging like a pendulum. Try not to hit your knees. Be focused. Remember your bandhas. Engaging your core. Breathe long and deeper. So this is pendulum swing. This we can really feel my wrist. I'm holding my Karlakattai. My thumbs, my palms are facing towards me, and we are going for a minute. Everything, my friends, are going to be repetition, and we are going to change the hand, and we are going to repeat on the other side. There is nothing new to learn. We have to keep practicing the same again and again and again so that we get a flow state. Now, the second pendulum swing is I'm going to demonstrate the second pendulum swing. You are going to hold that Karlakattai in your hands, and then I'm going to swing from one hand to other hand. Now you can see that my elbows are kicking in, my biceps and triceps are kicking in, and my shoulders are a bit relaxed like a pendulum from one end to other end. I'm changing my hands again for a minute, for 30 seconds, for 50 counts. Counts like 50, 100,000 are all very common in Karlakattai. You cannot do things like I've done 5 Karlakattai. Can I go to the next level? No. So this is the second type of pendulum swing. Now is the third. Like a clock, you can see it's going on one hand. You see the whole action comes from my elbows and my biceps, triceps, my wrists. And then opposite clockwise. This is counterclockwise. I'm sure that this swings needs a very nice Karlakattai. So these are all primary Karlakattai swings. So practice this in less weights, my friend. Don't hurt your elbows. Your tendons of your hands can have issues if you are doing this beginner exercise with the heavy weights. And the other side. I'm not telling that you cannot do this with heavy weights. My weight on my hand is almost 1.5 kilos, but this is a nice weight to do this. More, you will have start paining on your tennis elbow. If already you have a tennis elbow, this will aggravate it. Now the full Gadigara Suttu or pendulum swing or clock swing from one side. You can see that how my entire hand is getting the maximum mobility that is available, and counterclockwise on my right hand. I'm breathing longer and deeper, my friends. I can see that I'm already sweating. So this is available and possible for you as well. Sweat is your innate gift, and we are going to go for the other side. Our forefathers and all worked in the farm. They have to do physical activity that kept them healthy. Now we have to force ourselves to work out, to work on ourselves, and to sweat. And the other side when it comes to balancing. So these are all the basic Karlakattai swings, my friends. Practice this before you take up your next level. It's not going like that. It's not like you can do too many things, but if you keep practicing this basic, you achieve a very nice mobility on your body. Thank you, my friends. Nandri, Vanakkam. See you soon. Vanakkam.